Unity Bar and Brasserie, the coolest bars in Durban, South Africa. Located near Durban Botanic Gardens and popular mall the Musgrave Centre, Unity Bar and Brasserie offers a very different vibe to the majority of Durban's surfer-style bars. Channeling casual hipster chic, the service and atmosphere are excellent, while the drinks menu is decidedly sophisticated. On the wine list, you'll find offerings from notable Western Cape vineyards, including Morgenster Estate and Waterford Estate. The cocktail menu is classic, featuring international favorites like the Manhattan and the Caipirinha. Ultimately, however, Unity is a beer drinker's heaven. The focus here is on craft brews, some of which are brewed locally by the pub's own brand, that Brewing Company. If you find that drinking gives you an appetite, the Brasserie menu features gourmet options ranging from aged South African sirloin to miniature burger sliders.